Hello everyone, andito tayo ngayon sa Fortunata Village inside Garden City 3. And today, samahan nyo ako until the end of this video. Let me give you a quick tour of this duplex house for sale. And this is Building A, Duplex A, and this is Duplex B. So let's start our house tour dito sa labas, Building B or Unit B, Unit A. So let's go inside. So meron kayong folding gate and you have two-car carport. And actually may roof siya, half. So pasok tayo dito sa loob. This is just a quick tour, guys. So please stay until the end of this video. So welcome to Unit or Duplex A. This is the biggest lot area. Okay? And later papakita ko sa inyo yung Duplex B. So upon entering, pasok tayo. This is your living area. This is where you're going to set up your sofa, center table. And on this side, your dining area. Tapos, pasok tayo dito. And this is where you're going to put your ref. So, ito na yung kitchen nyo. May mga lighting fixtures na, under counter and overhead cabinets. Ang ganda ng iyong kitchen. And on this side, this is your dirty kitchen or utility kitchen. And covered din siya. So, just in case, pwede dito mag- So again, you have 3-burner cooktop with range hood. So ito yung provision ng range hood nyo. Tapos may space pa sa taas. Okay, let's go. This side, meron ka palang powder room dito sa ground floor. This is up to 3-story. Meron siyang 3rd floor. And this is 4-bedroom. And for a complete details, i-check nyo na lang yung description ng video na to. Okay? Let's go. So, dito sa 2nd floor, meron tayong 2 bedroom. First, ito yung 1st bedroom. So, kasya dito, queen to king size bed. Tapos, meron ka pang, may mga glass window. So, very natural yung mga lights. And, meron ka pang balcony dito. So, this is on the side ng main entrance. So, itong bedroom na to, meron siyang in-suite toilet and bath. And on this side, so this is the 2nd bedroom. Meron siyang window, provision for aircon, window type aircon. Tapos meron siyang modular cabinet dito. And meron siyang another in-suite toilet and bath. Okay? Let's go. So, ito yung makukonsider na biggest room. This is the 3rd bedroom. Marami siyang shelves na pwede yung gamitan, naka-soft closing siya. Nandito yung setup mo ng TV, nandun yung bed, pwede kang maglagay ng curtains dito. Meron pa siyang balcony. And meron ka pang modular cabinet dito with sliding door. On this side, actually, itong bedroom na to is naka-shared siya ng toilet dito sa another bedroom. So, halika, pasok kayo. So, meron pang sink dito and the toilet. And this is the 4th bedroom, guys. And ang maganda dito, meron na siyang water tank doon. Okay? Alright, so ngayon naman ipapakita natin yung Duplex B. So ito yung smallest lot area compared to Duplex A. Okay, let's go inside. So meron kang sliding gate, foldable gate with 2-car carport. Meron siyang roof na covered yung half ng ceiling. So in terms of living area, parang ito, medyo iba yung layout niya compared dun sa isa. So this is your living area, this is your dining area. Meron ka ng drop lights, meron ka ng pwedeng paglagyan ng TV dito. And this is your kitchen. Actually, yung layout niya, almost same lang sa Duplex A. And this is Duplex B. So dito yung ref, under counter, overhead cabinets. Meron ka ng 2 sink. And may mga lighting fixtures na rin. Actually, parang ano na siya, semi-furnished, ready for move-in. Ito may range hood na. Yung kabila wala, but you can request. Meron kang 3-burner cooktop with range hood. May mga drawer pa, yung under counter niya. Okay? Dito naman is, this is your utility kitchen or the dirty kitchen na covered din siya. And even if medyo makulimlim ngayon, maliwanag pa rin kasi yung roofing niya is parang clear, allowing natural light to come inside. And meron ka ditong powder room. Dito mo pwede ilagay TV mo. Let's go to the 2nd floor. So we are now on the 2nd floor. This is the 1st bedroom. This is the bedroom facing sa main road. And then meron ka ditong Meron ka ditong balcony again, facing sa main road, and meron ka ditong toilet and bath. So, papakita na lang kami ng video mamaya. And then you have modular cabinet with sliding door. Okay, let's go sa kabilang side. So, this is your second bedroom. So, meron ka na ditong accent wall, may shelf na, pwede mong ilagay dito. Actually, parang ito yung bed mo. Tapos, meron ka modular cabinet. Tapos, yung second bedroom pala guys, sa second floor, same with the duplex A, this is duplex B. Nandito yung washer, yung parang lagayan ng washing machine, dito kayo maglalaba. Ayan, nandito rin yung open area na kung saan pwede kayong magsampay. Okay? And you have your own toilet and bath as well. Okay? So, papunta tayo ngayon sa third floor. So, unahin muna natin to. Okay? So, again, this is the third bedroom located on the third floor. This is facing on the side ng main road. Meron kang balcony with sliding door. Dito mo isa-set up yung TV, nandun yung bed frame. And then you have sliding door for your modular cabinet. May mga shelvings ka dito. And same with duplex A, meron siyang shared access going to the shared toilet. So, may sink ka na dyan, and then your toilet and bath. So, this is shared by the third and fourth bedroom. Okay? So, kung hindi naman ganun kalaki yung family nyo, pwede nyo gamitin ito as main master bedroom. Sa kabila is your walk-in closet. But then again, pwede siyang separate bedroom. Okay? So, if you are interested, just contact the number below the description. And for complete details, you can check also the description, and for schedule of a unit viewing, contact us 0917-677-8878, and please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this video.